up, bruh? I hope you've been good. I hope life is treating you how it's supposed to be treating you. I hope your family is good. I hope you're staying out of trouble. I hope everybody is doing right by you, man. What the fuck, bro? You gonna go? But in today's video, we're gonna be going to a car meet, and we're gonna see what cars is gonna be out there. It's probably gonna be a small car meet, not gonna lie. Yeah, I don't know what to expect. We'll see. And I'm gonna link up with my boy Leon when I get there, so yeah. Boom, pow, yeah, all that. Let's go. Yeah, man, with the whole Phoenix Auto bullshit, I called them. Like I was saying in my last video, I talked to them. They said they couldn't figure out what the problem is with this. They want me to send it in for a repair, but it's like, bro, I'm not doing all that, bro. I already got a screen on the way, bro. I really just wanted to see. I really wanted to see what's to it. Look, police right there, posted up in the cut. I bet you that motherfucker's on TikTok. I bet you his ass on TikTok. You're like you asleep. Yeah, man. Phoenix Auto told me they couldn't find the problem. They FaceTimed me, did all this bullshit. It was cool though. They tried this time. This appointment was better than the first appointment, bro. The first time I called them, bro, they treated me like shit. But on this one, they really stepped it up. You know what I'm saying? They stepped that shit up. Alright, let's go. Grab my phone. Yeah, but I just stole this motherfucker.
So I didn't know that was you in the fucking. It's a Durango, right?
Yeah.
I was like, oh shit. You
fucking... mind being on camera, bro? Or no?
That's fine.
You sure?
Yeah. What's up, everyone?
Yeah. What's up with it?
And we got Glenn over here.
What's up, man? You mind being on camera?
What's going on? Huh?
You want to be on camera?
Nah, I'm
cool.
Hell yeah.
What y'all on after this?
I was gonna go to another meet in Kent. Trinity. It's like 30 minutes.
Yeah.
I think it's in Kent. Yeah.
What they doing? They racing tonight?
No, I think after this we're gonna cruise over there, and then we'll fucking go get some boba.
Yeah. I'm gonna follow behind in the Chevy Malibu because I don't have my car, and I'm really upset.
God damn. I'm gonna go walk around, bro.
You are alright for sure, bro. Well, I'll let you know when I dip out.
Alright.
Alright, for sure, bro.
I'm finna catch up with y'all after I get some content. Huh?
I bet you will catch up, huh? I know you.
No, I'm finna go get some content. I'll be back.
Alright, for sure. Take care.
Alright, yep. As you guys can tell, bro, we posted up, bro. Baby here, bro. Feel me? About to see what's to it. Go check out the Chaser. What's up, bro? How you doing? Hey, bro, you mind being on camera?
What?
You mind being on camera, bro?
I don't care.
Oh, okay. You your Chaser?
Yeah, this is mine.
Hard as fuck, bro.
Thank you, bro.
Yeah. What engine is in it?
It's a 1J single turbo.
1J? Shit, clean as fuck, bro.
Thank you.
Yeah. Coyote. You know I love my Mustangs, bro.
I love that. About to drive turbo Cooper.
Yes.
Here's to my phone.
Yeah, which one? Okay, guys.
Alright, see you for real this time.
Terminator. Hard as fuck. Oh my god, bro. GT350, bro. This bitch is so tough. One day, bro. One day, bro. One fucking day, bro. This bitch is so tough. God damn. Oh my god. Hey, let me know in the comments below, but I might wrap my car black.
You're alive.
Why are your windows foggy?
F80? God damn. Bitch is tough. Look at that fit, man, bro. Tough. Big tough, bro. Hey, that GT350 though. One day, bro. Like, comment, subscribe, bro. One day we're gonna have that motherfucker, bro. I swear to God.
I have an E63 that has 500 horsepower.
Damn. Boosted, bro. I bet you this bitch quick. E46? Type shit. PTSD. Focus ST, bro. Oh. I like the wheels. Ultima? Oh yeah, I gotta stay away from them, gang. I gotta stay away from them. Big Audi, Miata, Poster, another Mustang. God damn.
Alright, bro. I need to know how do you get your flashlights? I mean, your tail lights flash.
Yeah. Fuck though.
You don't like it? What is it? Do you know what it is?
It's creative, bro. I ain't even gonna lie.
So a light bulb. We can trade light bulb. We can trade. I got a 1 year. How can I do? It's the red one over there with the red oils.
Honda? On Yankees? Tough. Big body Lexus. ESRs. That is right-hand drive. Straight from Japan, bro. F30. I wonder if it's a 340. We're gonna see. 340? It doesn't say. Probably 335. Love my BMWs. Love my BMWs. MR2. Tough. Farm truck. Tough. SRT4. With demon eyes. Tough as shit. Leon, I'm gonna get your ass in there. What you doing?
What's up?
No, I said I'm gonna get your ass in the vlog.
Get it. It's a nice C7.
When'd you get this?
Austin's Auto Sales.
When? When'd you get it?
When did I get it? Like 3 months ago.
Where?
Yeah.
I just found out this was your shit.
You just found out that it was?
Like 2 days ago.
Oh shit, for real?
Yeah.
I was like, damn, he didn't even like say what's up to me, but I didn't even know. Like at the time, you didn't know that
No,
I had
I
this,
didn't know. I know. I just found out.
Though. You got me into the muscle car scene.
Well, you fuck with it?
Yeah, it's good. It's good.
You didn't come to the dark side though. You switched up.
I know. I was telling
You
hey,
switched
Glenn,
up, huh?
remember I was telling you he was the one that was getting me into Mustangs and shit?
Hey, he switched up.
Yeah.
He didn't come to the dark side. You didn't come to the dark side. Damn.
I know.
You slimed us up, bro. You're supposed to get a 10-speed, bro.
I know. They did a good deal for it though.
Did
Cause
they?
remember the GTI? On the GTI that I had, that was
Yeah,
fucked
you
up.
traded it in?
Yeah, but they fully paid it off.
Oh shit, for real?
Yeah, so it's like fuck, it was a win-win right there.
Yeah. I mean, they're not bad, bro. It's a vet at the end of the day. They're
Yeah.
light as fuck.
Yeah, I think it weighs like 3,000 pounds.
Yeah.
So it's like, it's not bad. It's a good car.
Yeah.
It's a good little car.
It's good, man.
I'm
8-speed? It's an 8-speed auto?
Yeah.
8-speed.
I think I'm gonna just keep it like, do full bolt-ons though. I'm gonna just keep it like stock though.
Heads, cam.
That's what he was saying, huh? Throw some heads and some camera on there.
Heads, cam. Hey, it's gonna talk.
Yeah.
It's gonna talk.
Oh yeah.
It's gonna talk. They're dope.
Some drilled and slotted rotors.
Yeah.
Just kind of want to do that. It's pretty fun.
C7, huh?
Yeah, 2015.
Hey, I'm proud of you, man. I'm proud of you.
Thank you.
From you still got the Lexus?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, they got it. No GTI though. Left the
GTI?
German scene.
For real?
Yeah, I'm done with that shit.
Huh? You going back or what?
I'm-
Maybe 340?
Maybe a 340.
Maybe 340?
You know what I mean?
Maybe hey, maybe Supra?
Shit.
Maybe a Supra? I don't know. They put in work.
Yeah.
Got some more parts over there. Yo! What's up? Man, where you been at, man?
We're about to head out to Kent.
About to go to camp?
Yeah.
You was telling me about that.
Oh shit.
How you been, bro?
Good. You?
Good. You might be on camera now.
Huh?
Good? You might be on camera?
Oh shit.
No? No camera?
No.
No camera. Alright, I got you. My bad, bro.
No, we're about
How
to
you
head
been?
out, bro.
You about to go right now?
Yeah.
Where at?
That's where everybody's going.
Where at? Where's it at? Send me.
Right here.
Check a picture of that.
Yeah, take a picture.
Shit, bro.
Most hated just rolled out too.
Yeah. But they, where at in Kent though? They run in Mexico or what?
Drip T. I don't know if you know that area.
No.
I'm just
Shit.
following my Google, so
Just following?
yeah.
Fuck
I'll
it.
see you over there. If it...
Alright, bro. I'll see you.
All right, bro.
Hey, bro. Be safe.
Yeah, thanks. You too.
Good seeing you, bro. Oh, S2000? Hold on. In the Spark Beamer and BBS's. Tough. S2K. God damn! They banging limit over there. Yeah. That's it though, y'all. I done got all the cars for y'all. I done brought y'all out here, freezing my ass off, bro. Trying to get y'all some fucking content and shit, bro. God damn. But it ain't nothing though. Y'all know I'll do anything for y'all motherfuckers, bro. I know y'all. But I'll start recording again, bro, if we start moving and shit, so yeah. Alright, well, we just got here. Like, as you can tell, bro, we parked all the way in the fucking back, bro. There's so many cars here, bro. The lighting is kind of ass, but it's alright though. It's cool. Gen 3, you know what I'm saying? Crazy. Lighting is dog shit, but I'm still gonna get this content for y'all, bro. They already going crazy and shit. Another Gen 3 right here. Trucks is out, you know what I'm saying? De la Mamalona. De la Mamalonas is out, bro. The F80s is out. F80s are out. Tough. EBS wheels. Tough as fuck, bro. Moving on. Mustang. Another auto Mustang is out. This is a Terminator from earlier. Gen 3. Sounds neat. Go, Subi. What's up, bro?
Hey, nice GoPro.
Thank you, bro. I appreciate it. You mind being on camera?
I don't care.
Nah. Tell us up to the vlog, though.
Hey, what's up, vlog?
Yeah. Hey, bro, you be on YouTube?
I'm trying to. Low
trying
key.
to?
I be
Hey,
rapping, doing everything.
For real?
Rapping, writing, drawing.
Hey, bro, keep doing
Hey,
your
take
shit,
it easy.
gang. Yup. You know how it is, gang. Let's see how much, bro. Mustang, big body Benz. Everybody and their mama is here, bro. Sheesh. Roush Gen 3. C6. Never go wrong with a C6, bro. Arrow. M5. RS3, if I'm not mistaken. God damn. All the MGs is in here, bro. Sheesh. Audi. M3. Single turbo 335. Tough. Tough as fuck. I'm trying to see what's to it. Oh shit. God damn, this bitch packed out, bro. Wow, bye.
What's up, partner?
Tough ass truck, bro. God damn. This bitch packed, bro. Woo! But I don't even know where to start.
At one point, fucking
smells E85, gang. They two-stepping this bitch. God damn. Bitch packed, bro. Hold on, I gotta get that shit. Do it again, little bro. Do it again. I gotta get that.
Bro, she just backed up right there.
Oh, that's super right there, bro. Throwing flames, doing all kinds of shit, bro. They two-stepping over there. Bro, by far, this is the craziest car meet I ever been to in Washington, bro. Granted, I still hate Washington. I hate Washington with a passion, but this is the best car meet they ever hosted, bro. No cap. I give it to them. Big body truck. Gen 3 with S650 lights, bro. Say that. All bars, you know what I'm saying? Everybody and their mama is out, bro. Diesel going crazy. Shit. You gotta do this shit again, gang. Hey, give me about 3 years, bro. We're gonna be hosting some shit like this, bro. No cap.
Oh, was he in the
Mopar R34 over here. Shit. God damn.
God damn.
That bitch tough. Tough as fuck. Okay, you know, spread just like when I tell you this bitch packed out, bro, this shit packed. Packed like a motherfucker. But shit, y'all, man. I showed y'all every. Hold on. I got one more. Hold on. Casey, Brewski. shit town, man. I'm finna get up with y'all. I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. I love y'all. Be safe.